China has acknowledged the enormous danger that the Three Gorges Dam is posing to the Chinese people. China identifies potential geological disasters in the Three Gorges Dam and other high-risk areas using remote sensing satellites. With the help of remote sensing satellites, China has completed the identification of potential geological disasters in high-risk areas, including areas such as the Three Gorges Dam project and the eastern regions. South in the Tibet Autonomous Region, China's Ministry of Natural Resources said. Global Times reported that, according to a report by the Ministry of Natural Resources on August 20, remote sensing satellites detected a total of 8,450 potential hazards in 2020 in 9 provinces with high geological disaster risk in China. The main hazards are landslides on mountain tops and steep, unstable slopes. 5 typical geological disaster distribution areas were completely surveyed, including the Upper Yellow River area, the high seismic zone in Sichuan Province, the southeast region of Tibet, the northwest region of Yunnan Province, and the Three Gorges Dam reservoir area. The safe construction and operation of the Three Gorges Dam project has faced the test of geological disaster, but China is still actively monitoring potential hazards in the area. A monitoring and early warning center of the Three Gorges Reservoir under the Ministry of Natural Resources worked with local governments in Hubei and Chongqing to build a monitoring system, including experts, the public, and the public. Computer analysis. Efforts in the prevention and control of geological disasters in the Three Gorges Reservoir area for 17 years have been hardly more effective than in the past, the Chinese authorities admit. The dam's flood resistance is still not very good. The Natural Resources newspaper said that the Tam Heap Lake area has a complex geological situation with frequent storms and floods. In addition, to some extent, the geological conditions of the steep embankment of the Three Gorges Reservoir have been changed, and the occurrence of geological disasters in the reservoir area has become more severe. Shen Suhui, chief engineer of China's National Academy of Disaster Prevention and Control, said that high-resolution remote sensing satellites are often used to identify potential hazards of natural disasters such as earthquakes and other geological factors. The dam also brings China more earthquakes because it stores a large amount of water, tilting the Earth's axis of rotation, causing complex geological changes. Shen Suhui shows that since the dam was put into use, China has experienced more earthquakes every year than before. Based on issuing warnings and forecasts of extreme weather, relevant departments and science and technology teams can focus on potential hazards of natural disasters such as landslides, mudslides, to prepare reasonable emergency plans to minimize loss of life and property, said Shen Suhui.